Welcome to the Painting Baby Hand channel. Today we are talk about how to draw and color a cute Doraemon. Let's start by drawing. First, drawing a face. Now it's time to draw his eyes, nose, and lips. Now it's time to draw his body and pocket. It's time to draw his belt and hand and shoe and second hand. Drawing is ready. Now start a fun part. Let's start with coloring. Blue color. It's like a Doraemon. I like her so much. Next, we choose a second color, red color. Now it's time to choose our last color. What color is it? Yellow. It's a yellow color. Do you like this video? Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.